Good morning, Glenn Old Man with the Cam, and today I have a little different video for you. I've recorded several different adventure and exploration type videos on my YouTube channel. But this is the first time I've been stumped by what I've seen and heard on a video. I just can't explain it. I'll present it 6 different times. The first 2 times as recorded. The second set I will slow it down. The third set, I'll speed it up. I'd like your thoughts on this. Please leave a comment in the section below. As always, thanks for joining me. Glad to have you along. Have a great day. Smolen-Gulf Bridge, Ashtabula County, highway number 25. Wow, majestic bridge. Smolen-Gulf Bridge, Ashtabula County, highway number 25. Wow, majestic bridge. Majestic bridge. Majestic bridge. Majestic bridge. Majestic bridge.